Hi, it's Karen Marchetti. I am here in the Gamble booth at AQS Quilt Week, and I'm going to share with you how to do some really cool feathers. If feathers intimidate you a little bit, this way will make you really happy because there's zero intimidation. Okay? You're just going to stitch down a spine and make a spiral, a little swirl, come back, and off to the other side. And you just continue this up the spine that you drew. You can add some short ones. Add some short ones on this side just to balance it out. So that gives you a really quick, non-intimidating feather look. And we hope to see you at another Quilt Week in the future soon.
Okay, I'm going to